Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jylla bakmi khatanat ka kot ka khya uba wailan miki shilla ha ka arphundai terek ujellio arjar phunrio ula pentigna ba ka Sorkar Jylla ka Kyntait Mardor ya ka jingpan ram Khlem sut ka bakot arspa Klur balapan da ka PE Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya halor ka nongrim ba ka Sorkar ka dunabha ha ka jingyo lum ya ka khajana ha ka jiakran bat kilat patai kubor uba shella ulong bakaladon ka jingekran halor kani ka jing terwa Henry ka Sorkar kala shem yakarai ban Kyntait Mardor.
No, last time, yeah, no doubt at the initial stage, I think there was a discussion, but later on the government has declined that. There was no such support.
The government is not willing to.
Last time, I think in the previous cabinet, I think I was not a part of it, but there I think when the decision has come that they have rejected this proposal of giving interest-free loan to the USDM. See, according to like I already mentioned that I was not a part of the cabinet at that time, so I was not aware of what are the integrity of the discussion at that point of time. But I'm quite sure that I think there would be some genuine reason, because right now even Meghalaya also is not a surplus state, a revenue surplus state, so it's a revenue deficit. So definitely we also have many other important, other important things to concentrate or to invest. So since USTM being the private institution, so I feel that maybe the government at that time feel that they will be able to maybe from other source they can find funding or financial support. So that's why I think because of that, so the government may have decided in that line.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finshet da kajuk shi kajuk ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kane kakta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kane ko umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang rukan umktasyo.